down, 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 down.
I don't understand why Uncle will decide to seize our land. I mean, I can remember that same land was the one that Papa gave Uncle money to buy some few years back. But now that Papa is gone, he still does not want to release the land. I don't understand the reason. Why would Uncle want to just seize that land for no reason? Okay. As long as I'm still alive, Uncle never take that land. This is our uncle that we are talking about. Papa was the one that trained his children in school. Oh. This is our uncle now we are talking about now. Papa was still the one that made him what he is today. Okay. Now he has decided to seize the land. Okay. With this huge change he's seeing now, he thinks that he's God. This uncle is the devil. You see this man is the devil. But I will deal with him. I know what to do. Just calm down. You know, with this thing he's even doing, I'm even suspecting he was even the one that killed Papa. No, check it now. He must have had a hand in Papa's death.
Rachel, good afternoon.
Come and sit. How are you?
Fine.
Nnaemeka, what's the meaning of this? Are you okay?
No. Are you out of your senses?
What wrong did I do to you just now? Is it not the same girl that I warned you of? Is she not the same girl that I warned you of? Eche, please. This is enough. This is enough, please. You can't just come and insult me in front of my girlfriend now. Please. I've had enough. Please. Nnaemeka. Nnaemeka. Can you imagine that woman? Because I didn't clear her bush just to give me 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira? She even came to my house. I'm in my own professional work. Something that I'm good at. Also, trying to give her look about here with chance. Nkechi, look at her attacking formation. Very kumkutu. Then look at her defense mechanism, ozone layers. I want to harvest you. I just want you to be my girlfriend. So that when we mingle and tangle with your heart collaborating with my heart, we form what we call love. Just collaborate with me. A man full with integrity and honor. So that if I harvest you, then if I harvest your defense mechanism.
You know, they say that what God has joined together, no man can
put us under. No, I'm the one. Utobo is in love with you.
My friend, the next time you stop me, Mama, Nkechi Ofuma, to utter this rubbish from your mouth, I win that night. Who call the King
Hello. Look at this bombastic element. Again, I'm just trying to help. Just trying to sympathize with her. Ogali. Hey! Committing rubbish. Hello. You know, I've just looked. I know this girl. But let me just help her. Let me just help her life. And then you're now about vomiting rubbish. Me, Ogali. I don't know, I would do it to that girl. I didn't know if I can nap with you. My friend, let's go. You cause this thing, I'll go and cause it. Yeah? How do I cause it? This can't say nap, and me, Ogali. You have vomiting rubbish. But actually, you were vomiting rubbish. Eh? Me? You not vomiting rubbish. No problem. Hey, this guy Palilip. I told you to look at this Nkechi. Put that girl aka. Happy ya. It's Nyaka. One mugolo mo na bonu. Let's go. Me. Okay. Hey, no, I'm going vomiting rubbish. You are not and another name obodo a. Mba nna ge nwala na ga naba. Ama na nna ge nwala. Hey, so now I'm going mo na abo.
Ethel, what was the meaning of what you just did there? What's the meaning of that? No, tell me, what was the meaning of that? You insulted me in the presence of my girlfriend? Come on, bro, that was uncalled for. That was uncalled for.
Nnaemeka.
If no, wait, can you hear yourself? Can you just hear yourself? You're shouting on me because of this Ekuke, this local champion, this local girl. Actually, listen to me. That village girl you've seen is the most decent, is the most honest girl that I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh yes, and I love her with my life. Now listen to me. There's nothing that can come in between us. Even the devil can't come between us. Not even you. Do you understand?
Nnaemeka.
Because of this girl. This relationship you're talking about now is the relationship that started during this lockdown. Because of this local Ekuke girl. Listen to me. Listen to me. What I would not tolerate is an insult towards my girlfriend. Do you understand me? You won't insult my girlfriend anymore. Now listen to me. Stay clear of my relationship. Stay clear of my relationship. I'm done for now.
Nnaemeka, come back here.
Nnaemeka, I said come back here. What's the meaning of all this? So Nnaemeka shouted on me because of this village champion, this local girl. What's the meaning of all this? Is this boy even? Girl did not know. I don't know why this my uncle. Now you're going there. Or may you go Nnaemeka because of this coronavirus. This girl now. Love baby, you go.
Something that my mind I want to, yeah, no. Something
That nonsense is insulted me. Now come matter be left. And you are the cause. Yeah? You are the cause. More. Then you look at what you want to follow me. A big boy like me. You hear it. Huh? You get wasting the sense to insult me. Do for EIE. If you have dressed like me, I wouldn't eat back what Hey! I've told you that girl has dropped 2 kids at her house. No, I know. I you born short. Now, Mali, No, I was just appreciating the good work of God, as in to tell God that what you did was good. Huh? You see, you know what? I will set a trap for her. By the way, you said you wanted to marry that girl. No, I was joking. How can me? Let us just marry that chinchi. That half human being. That the one. I just imagine me marrying that nonsense. You marrying that girl. I was just trying to test her, you know. Just trying to test her, you know, but not the show, man, daughter. You. What do you mean? At least you now be owner of this shop. This what do they call it? What is the name of my shop? Thank you.
I know you love me, but I love you more than you love me.
I love you more than you love me.
Come on.
My love is greater than
It's
yours.
a lie.
I really wish you could follow me back to us.
Really? Want to follow me? That would be a nice idea because I know when I go back to the city, I'm going to miss you a lot. I don't want to miss you.
I don't want to miss you too. That's why I want to follow you.
Really?
Yes.
Ah.
And I want to follow you because I love you. I can't stay without you.
I love you so much. Okay. Okay. In that case, this is what we'll do. When we go to the city, we'll come back so I can see your people.
Really?
Yes, I'm sure about
Oh my
it.
god, I'm very happy.
Come on. Okay, so that's what we'll do.
Nnaemeka, what is the meaning of this? Young man, I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this?
Listen. Listen. I have had enough of your rubbish. I have had enough of your rubbish, Eche. You are not Papa, and you will never be Papa. Stay away from my relationship.
There's no way I'll tell you. I will tell you.
Baby!
I said, come back
Baby!
here. I said, come back here. Are you out of your mind?
Eche!
Are you out of your
Baby!
The love I got for you from the inside. Oh, I know if you leave my baby, run away. Yeah, she be my African princess, my African queen. Yeah.
Give it to me, right? Come on, all these people in this bed are because you feel anyhow though.
Yeah, give all of them. I'm back. Okay.
And don't
No.
no one else. Just
No, that's no one else.
Hey! 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 Nkechi, inside the bush, mingling and tangling. Huh?
Ntobo, is it that you don't have any other business in this village than drinking your rubbish palm wine and be walking about inside the bush? Ntobo, Nkechi, I better come leave this idiot.
Is it
Nkechi?
you know you have caused this thing now, stop it all.
Nkechi, at times I wonder if you have a cerebral problem. You want to buy drink for me? Are you trying to bribe me or what? For information, let me just inform you. Now I'm the Minister of Information. Your father must hear this. And your mother also.
And so what? And so what? What is even your own self?
Okay, you are not
Babe,
shouting.
leave
You see, don't talk to me, you don't cause this thing. You don't take you to your take me to your house. You say you love me and bring me in this place. For this idiot to come and insult me.
Okay, you are not insulting.
Nonsense.
You've seen what it costs now. Do you know how long it took me to drag this girl down here?
Okay,
Ntobo.
you are trying to rape her.
No. You see what it costs now, Ntobo? Oh, God.
Hey! You are trying to rape her inside the bush. It took you so long to bring her inside the bush to rape her. But don't worry, I will report you to the Igwe. In fact, even your father will hear this.
Look at you. Look at you, like father, like son. The same way your father died, drinking palm wine, walking about. Except his own is even much kind of a good better because he fell inside the gutter. But your own is bicycle. Okay. But Ntobo, let me warn you. If you don't mind the business in this village, Ntobo, what I will do to you, Ntobo?
Okay.
You ain't making a village, Ntobo.
Look at how your mouth is stinking and smelling. It's like why but and I'm sure don't want to mega joy here. Now for this year. Hey! Umazan will ever. Hey! Hey! Onyanyoronka or Chichi or the boy. Don't worry, this is my evidence. I will prove it to the law court. I will prove it. Hey! Now here you go.
Kings. Kings. Kingsley, we will not come complete 3 times. Kingsley, leave Nkechi alone. Stay away from Nkechi. That girl will ruin your life. Oh. I thought what made you to come back to this village is because of lockdown. You have to say lockdown. So lock up. Now lock up with Nkechi. Huh? I'm going to Nkechi of my. Okay, Negi. Take it tata. Better Baulu. Bakwa Ulu now. Before I slap sense to you.
Samson, first of all, let me ask you, Samson, have you been in love? As in, if I go in love with a girl before, but when you say you now, because make the town, because I got again, I saw love, and you know, if I give me gay, but Samson, let me tell you one thing. This lockdown, I didn't come back to the village because of this lockdown. I came back for this girl. Before I traveled, I have this thing for this girl. In my water, even know, if I thought you have been in love before, please, you will have understand what I say. But that is not my problem. The problem is those two idiots, those two refrains are just walking about this place on like useless people. I was even thinking that by now, if I come back, by now, somebody will be going here. How can I do it? Just that guy here, la village car. Okay, you don't understand how I'm feeling now. Ah.
Iṣẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ ọ̀nà mi. Nínú Nkechi. Brọ̀dá mgbe n'ọnụ ka ị nọ na chọpụ. Nkechi bịakwute gị vụrụ n'isi bụ brọ̀dá na-enye. Mgbe n'ọnụ ka ị na-aya ahụ, Nkechi bịa jụọ gị ka ọ n'ime. Ọ nna ihe ọ nọ. Ọ na-asa iti ego gị. Uri chapta ha ọ na. Ọ sịgo ọ chọrọ mbọ. Brọ̀dá, ị na-enye ya mbọ na-eti. Ọ chọrọ isi ị na-enye ya isi. Brọ̀dá, were kene ego gaa na tụrụ maka anyị kene. Oh! Free one go belly. Don't want you to happen here on what?
I don't blame you.
Mantapanogi.
No, because you see me in this village and I invited you here and now you're sitting beside me. That's why you have the guts. Okay, before the time to get out of my sight. More. What? Men, when will you get out from your house? When men are talking to you, I don't want to see you. Men, you report this boy. Is that me? I'm a king here for. What do you know about love? What do you hear, Mama Love? Calm down. You see nobody is talking. You don't know anything about love. Get out of here. You should come back. Just get on against it. Go on against it. From Sepas, I go from head to toe. Oh, Sepas getting out. From your Sepas to your hair. You go on against it. It's all about you. God. I'm worried about some why forget I get you again? Madam Almaria, this rubbish brother. Kamnaria, this useless idiot, 2 idiots. Kamnaria could go to God. And one I forget with get you again. And don't want gone. Don't think okay. Okay.
Eche, what you just did almost cost me my relationship. And it won't happen again, not in this life. Do you understand?
Look at what you are saying. You want this local village girl to roam this your
life? Eche, if you say one more insultive word on my girlfriend again, if you say one more insultive word on my girlfriend, it will take me a second to kill you with my bare hands. Get out of here. Rubbish.
Down, 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 down.